Before you start that online business, make sure you follow these tips. If you're wondering who am I, my name's Asia and I teach everyday people how to make money online. But back to what I was saying, before you start your online business, you need to be identifying your why and setting your goals. Like literally get a pen and paper and sit down and brainstorm why you even want to start this business. Brainstorm and answer these 3 questions. Why is it important to me that I get this passive income business up and running? When I think about where I want to be financially, what does that look like? How do I want that to be? And lastly, what do I gain from starting this business? How will this business bless your life? Once you answer those 3 questions, then you can move on to thinking about the goals of your business. Here, you will make a decision on how much your product will cost. If you're just starting out a digital product business, it's recommended to keep your price between $50 to $100 just so people could afford it. You can always increase your price as your expertise grows and as your brand grows, but you want to start at a low level just so people get to know you and can start getting your products. My Done For You digital product is priced at $40, but really you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. Once you figure out how much your product is going to cost, then we could talk about your income goals. How much money do you want your business to be making a year from now? For example, say you want your business to make $12,000 this year. Let's divide that up into quarters to make it more manageable. If you want to bring in $12,000 this year in your online business, that means you need to be bringing in $3,000 every quarter. If you do the math, $3,000 a quarter, you need 75 sales per quarter. I'm all about manifesting, so I think it's so important to manifest your income goals for your business so that way it could actually come true. If you're looking for more help, I break down step by step how I got my digital products business started in 30 days. Comment Digital Boss down below and I'll send you the official link to get started on your digital journey.